Who's having some birthday hot dogs? Remy. 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 Are you really ignoring me? Stop it. Remy. You having some birthday hot dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah, are they good? Can you say yum? You say yum? Will not perform on camera.
He's wants to be eaten, you know?
Mm-hmm. Can you say yum?
Mm.
Nope.
He gave them a big smile.
You want a hamburger?
There's Daddy. Grandma. And Grandpa.
Hello.
Hello. Did he throw his hot dogs?
What is that symbol on there, Sarah?
He ate
Which
them
one
all,
were?
you know?
On that
Yeah.
phone?
On the back? It's from a TV show.
Oh. Very unusual.
Yeah. Okay.